How to play Brawl Stars on PC. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for LD Player. Then open up the very first link that you will see over here, and this is where it will take you. Now click on this option of search and search for Brawl Stars and open up this one. Now wait for it to load, and this is where it will take you. Click on this option of download Brawl Stars on PC. After downloading it, it will prompt you to download LD Player as well. Simply download it, install it, but make sure to reject all the optional notifications that it will send you, and this way you would be able to get LD Player on your device. After that, install LD Player and then launch it. When you launch it, Brawl Stars will also prompt you to get installed on LD Player. Simply install Brawl Stars, and this way you would be able to play it on your PC itself. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.